Good morning children, welcome to mathematics class. In our yesterday's previous class, we have started the exercise of lesson number 2. So today we will continue this. The question number 5 I have written on the board. So 5 is write the number names for each of the following. Okay, number names we should write. First one is 7,300. Second one is 5,380. So write this one. How you will read like that only you should write. So first letter write in capital 7,300. Next 5,380. 5,380. Okay, these are the number names. And next question, sixth one. Fill in the boxes with the missing digits. A. 2006 is equal to B. 6,347 is equal to C. 6,100. 2 is equal to what is thousands place? What is hundreds place? And what is tens place? And what is ones place? Okay, now just see this. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So 2 is thousand, 0, 0, 100, 0 tens and 6 ones. Again ones, tens, 100,000, 6,000, 300, 4 tens, 7 ones. 6,100, 0 tens, 2 ones. So you also write this in your textbook. And next, write the place value and face value of the underlined digit. Write the place value and face value. Question number 7. A. 2,432. So 4 has underlined. B. 3,457. C. 1,897. D. 2,371. E. 5,430. So we should write place value and write the place value and face value. So place, just write in front of this place value and face value. See, underlined number is 4. So which place it is? 100. 100 into 4. 400 is the place value and face value is 4. Next, this is this one. Underlined number is 7. 7 into 1s. 7 is the place value and 7 is the face value. Next, 9 is underlined. 9 into 10s. 90. And face value is 9. Next, 2 is underlined. 2 into 1000. 2000 is place value and 2 is face value. Here 4 is underlined. So 400 and 4 is the face value. Face means number face. What is the number? The number itself is the face value. What is place value? Place into the respective number in the place. Okay, in which place number will be there, that number into the respective place is the place value. Okay, and next question, write the following in expanded form. In textbook, if the sufficient place is there, you write in the textbook only answers. If in place there is no any place to write the answer, you write in your maths fair notebook. Got it? Next, this question number 7 and 8, there is no place to write the answers. So you have to write these answers in your notebook. Got it? Yes. Next, 8th question. Write the expanded forms. First one, 1275. Second one, A. This is B, 2329. C, 4327. D, E. Okay, this expanded form we should write the place value only. We should bind this in a with the plus sign. So write from the higher places. This is 1000, 1000 plus 2 into 100, 200 plus 70 plus 5. Then 2000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 9. 4000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 7. 6000 plus 500 plus 20 plus 3. Next, 7000 plus 800 plus 10 plus 9. These are the expanded form of the given numbers. Next, 9th, write each of the following in short form. They have given two numbers in short form that we should write in a, no, they have given expanded form, we should write in a short form. So I will write that here. Okay. Ninth question. A, 4000 plus 200 plus 3. B, 4000 plus 600 plus 20 plus 9. Then 10th question. Arrange the following in ascending and descending order. A, 3061, 3001, 3097, 3007, 3035, 3079. Okay, first we will complete this writing the expanded forms in short form. Okay, this is 4203. So 4000 means you can write like this also, like this also. 3 means this is ones place. 200 means there is no tens place, so write 0 in tens place. Next 200, then 4000. Here see ones place is 9, tens place is 20, 100 place is 6, then 4000. Yes, and write these number in ascending and descending. Okay, ascending means writing numbers from the smallest to the biggest, and descending means biggest to the smallest. Now ascending, you should search the small number. So check it out from the first digits 44444. Then higher place 3000, 3000, 3000, 3000, 3000. So next 0, 61, 1, 97, 35, 79. So 1 is the smallest one. After this, which is the smallest one? After this 3035. And then 35, 61. 3061. Next 3079. Last 3097. See, thousands place and 100 place are same. Just you should think about one sentence: 35, 61, 79, 95. Now this is from the smallest to the biggest, so that this is ascending. Now we should write descending from the biggest to the smallest. Now this is biggest, write that only first, then and last will be the small. Got it? This is ascending and descending. Second question B. Four 4,707, 4,799, 4,733, 4,701, 4,727. First write ascending. And descending. Ascending means you should identify the smallest number. 4,000, 4,000, 4,000, 4,000, 4,000. 700, 700, 700, 700, 700. Then 7, 99, 33, 1, 27. So which is small? 1 is small. 4,701 is small. And then 4,707 is little big. Then 4,727, then 33, then 93. 4,733, then 4,799. Now we should write the descending. So biggest to smallest. 799, 4,733, 4,727. Next 4,707, 4,701. So ascending means writing numbers from smallest to the biggest, and descending means writing numbers from biggest to the smallest. I hope you understood. And let's go for next question. Write the predecessor and successor of the following numbers. What is predecessor and what is successor? Success means going forward. Success andre enu? Munde hogodu. So munde hogodandre we should go only one step. So successor in the sense you should write the one just after number of the given number. Kottiro number the ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಮುಂದೆ ನೀವು ಬರಿಬೇಕು, or else add 1 to the given number, you will get the successor. Then what is predecessor? The predecessor is nothing but the number just before of the given number. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ನಂಬರ್ ದ ಒಂದು ಮೊದಲನೇ ನಂಬರ್ if you write, that is predecessor. Yes? Now take the examples. 11th question. A 3,109, B 3,300, C 9,000. D 2,202. E 8,610. Okay, just see this. So first we will write successor and predecessor. Successor means next number. After this one number you should write 3,109, 3,110. Predecessor means one number back. So that is 3,108. ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ what you have to do is add 1. 9 plus 1, 10, 1, 3. So that is successor. Minus 1, that is predecessor. Got it? If you do minus 1, that is for the given number, that will be predecessor. If you do plus 1 to the given number, that is the successor. Okay? Will you write this? Yes, we will write it. 3,301. So 3,299. 9,001. 8,999. Minus 1 you do. So 10 minus 1, 9. Again 10 minus 1, 9. 10 minus 1, 9. 9 minus 1, 8. So that is the predecessor. Okay. Next. 2,203. 2,201. 8,611. 8,609. Okay. These are the answers. You write in your textbook as well as in your notebook. Okay. We'll continue in the next class.